Good morning, students. I am Hariom Guruji. Welcome to my channel Saraswati Teaching. Today we will start a lesson, that is the swimmer who doesn't need her legs. It is a very interesting topic. So those who have not subscribed my channel Saraswati Teaching, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon. So let us start the topic. So let us start our topic, the swimmer who doesn't need her legs. We meet several people on our way to school on our return from places of work, like vendors, Ostai Dukani. Here you can see the picture of vendors, hawkers, Gulabikali. Here you can see the picture of hawkers. Handicapped people, Saririka Akarmanya Vyakti. Here you can see the picture of handicapped people. Think about a child who is struck by polio and discuss the following points in pairs. Here you can see the picture of a child struck by polio. Does she swim across a pond or a river? No, she doesn't. Will it be easy or difficult for her? Yes, it will be difficult for her. Will it be impossible for her? Yes, it will be impossible for her. Let us see the picture. Read the lesson and see how a young girl of 19 who was struck by polio was able to swim the English Channel. Her crippled legs did not stand in her ways to become a talented sea swimmer. The text. Read the text from your textbook or pause the video to read the text. I have explained it in detail. Write down some new words on your notebooks. Drag down, pull something downwards, tolaku taniva. Unbelievable, difficult to believe, aviswasa. So write down these words. Handicapped, suffering from a physical disability of not being able to walk, Vikalanga. Polio, infectious disease of the spine which causes an inability to move certain muscles. Stroke, affected by disease of body, Rogore Pidita. Marathon, an activity that lasts much longer than expected. Write down some more new words. At a stretch, mean without stopping. Ekadikrame. Contribute, to give money or help. Sahajya বা অর্থদান করিবা. Shocked, feeling surprised and upset by something very unexpected and unpleasant. Vichalita hava. Convey, make ideas known to somebody. Janaiva. English Channel, the narrow sea passage that separates England and France. Imagine swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel in a seminar fashion. Unbelievable, isn't it? In spite of having legs made useless by polio, Sien Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be the part of a successful team, crossing the channel. कल्पना कर पोखरीर एपटू सेपटू को पहरिया बेले तुमर पाद दुईटी टाणी हो जाऊव एवं ठीक से ही साहसर सह इंग्लिश चैनल पहरी अतिक्रम करने कथा भाव यह अविश्वसनीय नुहे कि गोड़ दुईटी पोलियो द्वारा अदरकारी होगा सत्वे सेन जानकी इंग्लिश चैनल सफलतार सह अतिक्रम करिथिबा प्रथम विकलांग व्यक्ति एक सफल दलर भागीदार हो पारिछन्ति। It was in 1987 that Janaki was struck by polio. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. So she conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association for details, and they replied that two conditions have to be met before a swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. 1987 जानकी पोलियो द्वारा आक्रांत होते पिला बेले तांकर इंग्लिश चैनल पहरिया को चेष्टा करिवार इच्छा थिला तेणु से इंग्लिश चैनल स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन को सविशेष तथ्य पाइबापी जणाइले एवं सेमाने उत्तर देले जे जड़े संतरणकारी को चेष्टा करिवार अनुमति देवा पूर्व दुईटी शर्त पूरण करने को हब। लेट्स डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस विथ आंसर। चलतु किछि प्रश्न उत्तर आलोचना करिबा। व्हिच डिजीज हैड मेड द लेग्स ऑफ सेन जानकी पैरालाइज्ड? पोलियो had made the legs of Sien Janaki paralyzed. When was Janaki struck by polio? Janaki केबे पोलियो द्वारा आक्रांत होइतिले? Janaki was struck by polio in 1987. Janaki 1987 रे पोलियो द्वारा आक्रांत होइतिले। What did Janaki convey to the English Channel Swimming Association? Janaki English Channel Swimming Association को कौन जणाइले? Janaki conveyed her idea of swimming to the English Channel Swimming Association. When did she get the idea of trying to swim the English Channel? When she was a child, she got the idea of trying to swim the English Channel. So write down the questions on your notebooks. What did the English Channel Swimming Association reply? The English Channel Swimming Association replied that two conditions have to be fulfilled before a swimmer was allowed to make an attempt. The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. Number B, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is, he or she should be able to swim in high seas for long hours at a stretch. संतरणकारी अविच्छिन्न भावरे जलरे अति कम 10 घंटा बिताई परिवार सामर्थ्य रहिबा उचित। संतरणकारी दीर्घ दूरत्व संतरण करिवार सामर्थ्य रहिबा उचित जहाँकि से उच्च जलस्तर गुड़ी को दीर्घ समय धरी पहरी परिवार सामर्थ्य रहिबा उचित। Let's discuss some questions with answers. What was the first condition of the English Channel Swimming Association? English Channel Swimming Association को प्रथम शर्त कौन थिला? The swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. What was the second condition of the English Channel Swimming Association? English Channel Swimming Association को द्वितीय शर्त कौन थिला? The swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming, that is, he or she should be able to swim in high seas for long hours at a stretch. What does the phrase at a stretch convey? The phrase at a stretch conveys without stopping. Janaki began training very hard in Bangalore to fulfill these conditions. After almost 4 years of training, she said, I was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. An NIS coach, Mr. Gopal, gave me a certificate saying that he had seen me swim for 10 hours continuously. Janaki ଏହି ସର୍ତ୍ତ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପୂରଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବେଙ୍ଗଲୋରରେ କଠିନ ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ। ସେ କହିଲେ, ପ୍ରାୟ 4 ବର୍ଷର ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ସୁଇମିଂ ପୁଲରେ ନେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଏକାଥରକେ 10 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପହଁରିବାରେ ସମର୍ଥ ହେଲି। NIS ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଜାତୀୟ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନର ଜଣେ ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ଗୋପାଳ ମୋତେ ସେ 10 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଧରି ଅବିରତ ଭାବେ ପହଁରୁଥିବାର ଦେଖିଥିବାର ଏକ ପ୍ରମାଣପତ୍ର ଦେଲେ। Let's discuss some questions with answers. ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। Where did Janaki begin her training? ଜାନକୀ କେଉଁଠାରେ ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ? Janaki began her training very hard in Bangalore. ଜାନକୀ ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋର ଠାରେ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ। How long did Janaki train? Janaki trained for 4 years. ଜାନକୀ 4 ବର୍ଷ ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ନେଲେ। How long was she able to spend in the swimming pool at a stretch? Janaki was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. Who was the NIS coach in Bangalore? Bangalore रे NIS coach किए थिले? Mr. Gopal was the NIS coach in Bangalore. Bangalore रे Mr. Gopal NIS coach थिले। What did Mr. Gopal give to Janaki? Mr. Gopal Janaki को कौन देले? Mr. Gopal gave Janaki a certificate saying that he had seen her swim for 10 hours continuously. Then, with the help of Thimayan National Academy of Adventure, she went to the coastal town of Malpe and began training in the Arabian Sea. She spent 3 weeks there with a coach called Dinesh Suvarna. She learned to spend long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. तापर से थिमिया नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ एडवेंचर साहाय्य उपकूलवर्ती सहर मालपे को गले और अरब सागर रे प्रशिक्षण आरंभ कले। से सेठारे जड़े प्रशिक्षक दिनेश सुवर्णा सहित 3 सप्ताह अतिबाहित कले। से समुद्र रे दिन को 20 किलोमीटर दीर्घ समय धरी संतरण करिवार शिक्षा कले। Let us discuss some questions with answers. Where did Janaki go with the help of Thimia National Academy of Adventure? Janaki went to the coastal town of Malpe with the help of Thimia National Academy of Adventure. How long did Janaki spend there? Janaki spent there 3 weeks. जानकी सेठारे 3 सप्ताह अतिबाहित कले. How long was she able to spend in the swimming pool at a stretch? She was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. Who was the coach at coastal town of Malpe? Dinesh Suvarna was the coach at coastal town of Malpe. How long could Janaki swim a day after her swimming in the Arabian Sea? Janaki could swim 20 kilometers a day after her swimming in the Arabian Sea. Janaki then returned to Bangalore and sent her certificates to the Channel Swimming Association in England. When they gave her the permission to make the attempt, she had to start collecting funds for the trip. The government, a few private agencies, and several friends contributed the money she needed for the attempt. तापरे जानकी बेंगलोर को फेरिले एवं तांकर प्रमाणपत्र गुड़िक इंग्लैंड थिबा चैनल स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन को पठाइले. जेतेबेले सेमाने तांकु चेष्टा करिया पई अनुमति प्रदान कले, तांकु यात्रा करिया पई पांठी संग्रह करिया को पड़ला. तांकु सरकार अल्प घरोई संस्था गुड़िक एवं अनेक बंधु यही चेष्टा पई आवश्यक करुवा टंका प्रदान कले. लेट्स डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस विथ आंसर्स. चलंतु किछि प्रश्नोत्तर आलोचना करिवा. होम डिड जानकी सेंट हर सर्टिफिकेट्स? जानकी काहाकू तांकर प्रमाणपत्र गुड़िक पठाइले. Janaki sent her certificates to the Channel Swimming Association in England. What did the Channel Swimming Association give her to make the attempt? The Channel Swimming Association gave her the permission to make the attempt. What did she collect for the trip? She collected funds for the trip. Who contributed the money she needed for the attempt? The government, a few private agencies, and several friends contributed the money she needed for the attempt. Janaki and her parents left for England in the middle of 1992. When she reached Dover and began practicing in the English Channel, the Swimming Association officials were quite shocked. This was the first time in their experience that a physical handicapped person was trying to swim the English Channel. जानकी एवं तांकर पितामाता 1992 इंग्लैंड जीवाई बाहरिले. जेतेबेले सेमाने डोवर रे पहुँचिले एवं इंग्लिश चैनल रे अभ्यास आरंभ कले, स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन रो अधिकारी माने संपूर्ण रूपे आश्चर्य होई पड़िले. जड़े शारीरिक विकलांग व्यक्ति इंग्लिश चैनल रे संतरण करुवार उद्यम करने सेमानंकर अनुभूति रे आ प्रथम थर पाई थिला. लेट्स डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस विथ आंसर्स. चलंतु किछि प्रश्नोत्तर आलोचना करिवा. व्हेन डिड जानकी एंड हर पेरेंट्स लिव फॉर इंग्लैंड? जानकी एवं तांको पितामाता केबे इंग्लैंड गले जानकी एंड हर पेरेंट्स लेफ्ट फॉर इंग्लैंड इन द मिडल ऑफ 1992 where did she reach and began practicing in the English Channel से केउठारे पहुँचले एवं इंग्लिश चैनल रे अभ्यास आरंभ कले she reached Dover and began practicing in the English Channel से डोवर रे पहुँचले एवं अभ्यास आरंभ कले Why were the swimming association officials quite shocked स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन रो अधिकारी माने काहीकि आश्चर्य होई पड़िले द स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन ऑफिशियल्स वेर क्वाइट शॉक्ड एज दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम इन देयर एक्सपीरियंस दैट अ फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड पर्सन वाज ट्राइंग टू स्विम द इंग्लिश चैनल हु वेर शॉक्ड टू सी जानकी स्विम द इंग्लिश चैनल क्यों माने आश्चर्य होई पड़िले द स्विमिंग एसोसिएशन ऑफिशियल्स वेर शॉक्ड Now, homework for you students. Do some homeworks at your home. Answer the following questions in 50 words. Thank you.